Professor Bob Young here, and we're going to look at an application of our friends, the circles. So in this example here, it says locating the epicenter of an earthquake. So it says 3 receiving stations are located on a coordinate plane at points 1, 4, -3, -1, and 5, 2. The distance from the earthquake epicenter to each station should be 2 units, 5 units, and 4 units, respectively. So what we're going to do is we're going to graph the 3 circles. From the graph, it's going to appear that the epicenter is located at 1, 2. And we're going to go ahead and check this algebraically to determine that by substituting in 1 for x and 2 for y. So notice here is station A, that's our small circle there. Now notice that its center is 1, 4, and you can look back on the problem and it says that. And the radius on this one would be 2. All right, so there is the first station's graph. Now if we take and substitute 1 for x and 2 for y in this equation, we do get a true statement. So station A seems to be doing well as far as our restraints so far. Station B, now notice it is centered at -3, -1 with a radius of 5. That's the red circle if we were to graph it. So we've been practicing graphing of circles and so forth here. And remember the old center radius form, x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared equals r squared. And here again, if we take 1 and plug it in for x and 2 for y, we get a true statement. Station C, centered at 5, 2 with a radius of 4. So when we put all 3 of these here, you can kind of look at this, and I'll take my green here, and this epicenter is looking pretty darn good here in green at 1, 2, where all 3 circles seem to coexist. And algebraically, we proved it by plugging in 1 for x and 2 for y, and it seems to make perfect sense in all 3 circles. So that point would be included in all 3 circles. So by this, we can say the 3 receiving stations are located on coordinate plane at points 1, 4, -3, -1, and 5, 2. The distance from the earthquake epicenter to each station should be 2 units, 5 units, and 4 units, respectively. This point 1, 2 does lie on all 3 graphs. Thus, we can conclude that it is the epicenter. So that is where circles, just one application of many circles, are used in real life. And we want you to always know that this math is definitely used out there, and you'll be using it as you continue your college careers. Bob Young signing off.